Guys, this project behind me that we are about to dig into was funded entirely by Lowe's. Big thank you to them. All the different products and tools that we use will be linked down in the description below on Lowe's website. Be sure to go and check them out. It helps the channel out immensely if you do that. But yeah, let's dig right into it, guys. Alright, so we're out here with the nailer, and Tom was trying to figure out, and as you can see, it was being all kinds of crazy for us, but we got it figured out. It's a 30-degree nailer. As you can see, we picked up 21-degree nails, so yeah, user error on our part. Tom's heading out now to pick up the correct nails. And we are back out here working on it again, getting the new nailer figured out. I need to cut down, I believe, 7 of these 2x4s. Cut that off right there. Cut that off here. Cut up there, and then across there. These are going to be for the roof. Let's do it. All right, so we're here with the correct nails. You can see the difference there.
Angle's a little different there.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Try them out.
Show us how you load that up there. Okay. What do you know?
Amazing what happens when you get the right nails.
Measuring for the metal siding here. Alright, so the rafters are all up. And we are getting rolling on putting up the rest of this siding here. Tom's already got started here. Coming along. All right, so we are moving right along here. Just got that panel up. Gonna have to cut it off along the top there, like the others. But yeah, coming right along here. Looking good. All right, so we have the sides almost completely done, except for what's gonna go around this corner here. We're gonna go ahead and do the roof first, all the way up to this end. So I'll get you guys moved up to the garage roof so that you can see better. Got most of the roof on. Got that corner piece on. Just about at the finish line.
Let's hang on to these extra 2x because we can use them for supports in the walls.
Yeah.
So we can stack stuff.
Okay. All right. We just have the last roof panel to go up. And that's gonna be it. I may or may not eventually put in a door here, but for now we'll just have that opening to be able to walk in and out. So yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, as you can see, that is a wrap on this project. Walk around here, take a look at everything. Posts in, looking good. Awesome. Now let's take you inside here. Still got a bit of garbage laying around that needs cleaned up, but oh yeah. Tom went through, didn't film it, but he went through and filled in all the cracks there. That way there's no moisture or anything getting in here, since it's obviously going to be for lumber storage. But yeah, sit in the back corner here. An idea of its size and whatnot. Yeah, really awesome. All right, so I said that's a wrap on this project, but that actually isn't quite true. It's not really true at all, because now we have to take all the lumber from inside the garage and move it into here. So yeah, stay tuned.